From time immemorial, the mightiest warrior souls have pursued a secret and universal path to winning a woman's heart, not for fleeting pleasure or vanity, but for the noble purpose of uniting to raise the finest heirs, destined to rule the world both in present and future. This elusive yet simple path was discovered long ago, prompting us to wonder, has the truth evolved over the ages? Let us begin with the obvious. For instance, neglecting one's body by overindulging in self-pleasure can drain the very essence of masculinity with cheap reward, the vital spark that distinguishes a commanding presence and makes a man visible to the divine feminine. Similarly, dedication to physical and mental well-being, like hitting the gym, can fortify one's resistance against the challenges of a chaotic world. This timeless path to a woman's heart unfolds in 4 distinct stages. It commences with genuine admiration, a sincere acknowledgement of her composure, her inner beauty, and the feminine strength that radiates both from within and outwardly. Next, there is the profound bond of friendship, a stage where intimacy is measured not by physical closeness, but by the mutual unraveling of innermost dreams and desires. Then comes the call of parenthood love, a tender, unconditional love that helps transform girlhood into womanhood. Finally, romance enters the narrative without struggle, a natural progression as a woman, having earned trust and admiration, unveils her longing for a partner destined to share in the creation of a legacy that spans generations. History is replete with examples in which women have been portrayed as distractions and evil, a diversion for men on their heroic journey toward self-realization or divine union. Sacred scrolls recount the stories of women, figures like Eve, Queen Jezebel, and Delilah, women intertwined with an evil fate, challenging men to rise above temptation. Yet, even when bathed in unconditional love, why do some women seem irresistibly drawn to that very allure of destroying men even today? Throughout the ages, it has been the weaker among men who have set in motion systems that elevate surface attractions over the essence of genuine connection. Empires were built, great traders enticed, governments formed, and even indulgences in pleasures were crafted to maintain the illusion that women are prizes to be coveted, each one draped and dressed in the finest adornments and jewelry. History always repeats itself, but how does one break free from this web of superficiality and illusion in the modern world? The answer lies within every man, embracing an ethos of unwavering positivity and respect for women. Cherish every woman with kindness. Avoid harm in every form, either physical or verbal, for positivity is the primordial code that unites all living beings, enriching the universe and overrules any system. Recognize that the suffering inflicted upon you by women is never inherent, but a byproduct of societal distortions made to enslave both the woman and the man in a cycle of hatred. With a mind attuned to the positive, imagine the ideal partner, not defined solely by physical desire but by the simple joys of companionship, quiet picnics, heartfelt conversations, and the serene knowledge of a bond free from the shackles of lust. Fear plays a treacherous role in repelling women. Many men falter under its weight when approaching women, driven by hidden desires and the quest for validation, whether through material gain or ego boosts. Yet, the antidote to fear resides in the 3 simple steps. Express genuine admiration, offer the nurturing shelter of compassionate care, and ultimately step into a realm of friendship that paves the way for a naturally blossoming romance. In the realm of attraction, knowledge stands as the most alluring fragrance. It liberates the mind, enriches conversations, and affords one a decisive edge over shallow societal constructs. In our age of digital enlightenment, platforms abound with resources that nurture personal growth, enabling us to build an inner system that champions self-reliance and clarity. When a man achieves a harmonious internal balance of self-love, financial independence, and emotional fortitude, he projects an aura of freedom that irresistibly calls out to women, those who yearn for liberation from external constraints and seek a partner who stands as a beacon of strength and wisdom. Always remember, you are already whole. A woman is but a reflection of your own values and the thoughts you cultivate. By fortifying your inner world through self-respect, courage, and independent strength, you extend that energy outward, allowing it to resonate with those who share your vision. In this dynamic exchange, a relationship, whether existing in the physical realm or blossoming within the mind, becomes a testament to the power of shared principles. While the world may celebrate superficial victories, the true triumph lies in creating a partnership that thrives on mutual growth, support, and the courage to embrace rejection as a stepping stone toward deeper connection. Purify your masculine energy, nurture it, refine it, and let it shine with an authenticity that goes far beyond mere physical allure. Attraction is born not only from physical appeal, but from the radiant energy of a mind and body aligned with purpose. Invest your energy in relationships that nurture growth, avoid engagements that dilute your essence, and always remember, the strongest connection is one built on genuine respect, trust, and shared aspirations rather than mere catchy phrases. In the end, the journey is about more than just winning a partner. It is about cultivating a vibrant inner world that naturally draws quality relationships into your orbit. Embrace the challenge and let your path be illuminated by the timeless virtues of admiration, friendship, nurturing care, and romance.
Are you harnessing your timeless inner power to attract divine women, or are you caught in the digital web of modern temptation and enslavement? Let us know your journey.